Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about Lagrange's interpolation polynomial. So now interpolation means computing the value of y equals to f of x. So now let us know about Lagrange's interpolation polynomial. This Lagrange's interpolation polynomial is used to find the polynomials. So what is given here? Let y equals to f of x be any function. This y equals to f of x should be any function given by the values y0, y1, y2, so on up to yn. So that is f of x0, comma f of x1, comma f of x2, so on up to f of xn. This should be corresponding to the values. What are those values? x0, comma x1, so on up to xn of the independent variable. What is the independent variable here? X, where the values of x are not equally spaced. Equally spaced in the sense these values should not be comparable. So here the values of x should not be comparable. Now let f of x be a polynomial. Now f of x should be a polynomial here of nth degree. Which degree we are taking here? Nth degree. So f of x be a polynomial of degree nth, and it may be written as, so we are taking here f of x as a polynomial with degree nth degree, with nth degree we are taking f of x as a polynomial. So how we can write here? And it may be written as f of x equals to a0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2, so on up to x minus xn, plus a1 into x minus x0 into x minus x2, so on up to x minus xn, plus next a2 into x minus x0 into x minus x1, so on up to x minus xn, plus so on up to 10 of x minus x0 into x minus xi, so on up to x minus xn minus 1. So what we are taking here, if here a0 is there, so we are taking here x1, x2, so on up to xn. Next, if we are taking here a1, x0, x2, we are excluding here x1 value, here x0 value. So if we are taking a2, we are not taking here x2, x0, x1. Now we are taking here to so on up to an, x minus x0. We are not considering n value, xn value. So on up to xn minus 1. So this is going to be our equation 1. We are considering this as equation 1, where a0, comma a1, comma a2, so on up to an to be determined by putting. So we have to assume this by putting x equals to x0, comma x1, comma x2, so on up to xn in equation 1. We have to take this in equation 1. Then we get at x equals to x0. Now in the place of x we have to take x0. As I told that we have to take x0 in the place of x. So here in equation 1. So what we will get here? Equation 1 implies f of x0 equals to a0 into x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2, so on up to x0 minus xn. So we are substituting in the place of x, x0. So that implies what we will get here? a0 equals to f of x0. This f of x0 we are going to take here. So f of x0 by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2, so on up to x0 minus xn. Now in the same manner we have to substitute x1 in the place of xn. So f of in equation 1. So f of x1 equals to a1 into x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2, so on up to x1 minus xn. So what we will get here? A1 that implies a1 equals to f of x1 by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2, so on up to x1 minus xn. So how we are getting this? We are taking this f of x0 here, this a0, this into value becomes here division. In a similar way, we are taking this also. a1 value also we are taking same as a0. So similarly we have to take a2 also. a2 equals to what we will get here, f of x2 by x2 minus x0 into x2 minus x1 so on up to x2 minus xn. So what we are substituting in the place of x, x2. First we are substituting here x0. After that we are substituting x1. After that x2. We are taking now x in the place of x we are taking xn value. So on up to an equals to f of xn by xn minus x0 into xn minus x1 so on up to xn minus 1. So substitute, now we are substituting these values in equation 1. We have to substitute these what we have considered those values. We have to substitute these values in equation 1. So what we will get here, we obtain f of x equals to x minus x1 into x minus x2 so on up to x minus xn into f of x0. So after substituting in equation 1, what we are getting here, what we are obtaining here, f of x equals to x minus x1 into x minus x2 so on up to x minus xn by x0 minus x1 by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 so on up to x0 minus xn into f of x0. Next, plus x minus x0 into x minus x2 so on up to x minus xn by x1 minus x0 into x1 minus x2 so on up to x1 minus xn into f of x1. Here first we are taking f of x0. Next f of x1 plus so on up to plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 so on up to x minus xn minus 1 by next xn value we are considering here. So xn minus x0 into xn minus x1 so on up to xn minus 1 into f of xn into what we are taking here, f of xn. First we are taking f of x0, next f of x1 so on up to f of xn. So this is about the Lagrange's interpolation polynomial. So this is the formula of Lagrange's interpolation polynomial. Now let us discuss problem based upon Lagrange's interpolation polynomial. So what is the problem given here? For the given function f of x, let x0 equals to 1, x1 equals to 1.25, x2 equals to 1.6. Construct interpolation polynomials of degree at most 1 and at most 2 to approximate, what is approximate here? 1.4. Now what is f of x given here? F of x equals to e power 2x minus 1. So now the solution given, what is given in the question? F of x equals to e power 2x minus 1 comma x0 equals to 1 comma x1 equals to 1.25 comma x2 equals to 1.6. Now what we have to do here, we have to substitute in the place of x, x0, what is given in the question, we have to substitute those values, x0, x1, x2. So first we are substituting x0. F of x0 equals to, what is the value of x0 given in the question? 1. So f of 1 equals to e power 2 into x. In the place of x we are substituting x0. So what is the value of x0? 1. E power 2 into 1 minus 1 as it is equals to, what we are getting after calculating this value? 6.389056. Now after substituting x0, what we have to substitute here? x1. So f of x1 equals to f of, what is x1 here? 1.25. F of 1.25 equals to e power 2 into 1.25 minus 1. So what is the value of f of x1? F of x1 equals to 2.49033429. So this is the value of f of x1. Now in the same way we have to take f of x2. So what is the value of x2? F of 1.6. x2 value is 1.6. Now we have to substitute x2 value equals to e power 2 into 1.6 minus 1. What we are getting here f of x2 after calculating 3.9530324. So now we have to take the formula here. The interpolating polynomial of degree 2. What is given in the question? We have to find at most 2 degrees. So the interpolating polynomial of degree 2 is given as f of x equals to x minus x1 into x minus x2 by x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2 into f of x naught plus x minus x naught into x minus x2 by x1 minus x naught into x1 minus x2 into f of x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 by x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1 into f of x2. So what we are taking here, f of x naught, f of x1 and f of x2. We have to take at most 2 degrees. So up to f of x2 we are taking the formula. We have to substitute given values in the formula. So f of x equals to x minus x1. What is x1 here? 1.25. So x minus 1.25 into x minus x2. x2, what is x2 here? 1.6 by x naught minus x1. So what is x naught here? 1 minus 1.25 into x naught minus x2 again. 1 minus 1.6 into f of x naught we took. So what is f of x naught? 6.389056 plus in the same manner we have to substitute this values f of x1 values also. So x minus 1 into x minus 1.6. This is x2 value. X naught value is 1 by x1 minus x naught. So what is x1 here? 1.25 minus x naught. What we are getting? What we are taking here? X naught 1 into again x1 minus x2. 1.25 minus 1.6 into f of x1 we are taking. What is f of x1? 2.490429 plus now x minus x naught. So what is x naught value? 1 into x minus x1. 1.25 x1 value by x2 minus x naught. So what is x2 here? 1.6 minus x naught into again x2 minus x1. 1.6 minus 1.25 into f of x2. What is f of x2 value here? 3.9530324. So we are taking here f of x2 value. Now we have to take what is given in the question, approximate value approximate to 1.4. So now we have to take this approximate value 1.4 as x. Then we have to substitute this x in the place of x. We have to take 1.4. In the question, what is given here? Approximate to 1.4. So this 1.4 we have to take it. We have to consider as x value. Now we have to take this 1.4 in the place of x. So what we have to substitute in the place of x? 1.4. So what we have to take there? What we are taking there? F of x. So here we have to take in the place of x f of 1.4 equals to, in the place of x, 1.4 minus 1.25 as it is into 1.4 minus 1.6 by same we have to take here 1 minus 1.25 into 1 minus 1.6 as it is into f of x naught value same 6.389056 plus 1.4 minus 1 into 1.4 minus 1.6 by same as it is we have to take 1.25 minus 1 into 1.25 minus 1.6 into same f of x1 as it is into 2.490429 plus 1.4 in the place of x minus 1 into 1.4 minus 1.25 by 1.6 minus 1 into 1.6 minus 1.25 as it is. So f of x2 we have to take again as it is. 3.9530324. So what we are doing here, in the place of x we are substituting 1.4. So what we have done here, we have just substituted 1.4 in the place of x. Now after doing this whole calculation, what we are getting here, minus 1.277881 plus 2.27688 plus 1.2944. After calculating this, what we are getting? What is the final answer? 2.12851. So by this we have completed Lagrange's interpolation polynomial.